Hello, and welcome to Mrs. T's class. Here I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Little Rock, Arkansas. I graduated Parkview Magnet High School. I received my associate's degree in elementary education at the University of Arkansas at Pulaski Tech, and I received my bachelor's degree in elementary education at UA of Little Rock. Here is my wonderful husband. Some of the things that we absolutely love doing is traveling, as well as meeting new people. And if we're not traveling or meeting new people, then I am probably sitting behind a sewing machine. Here's a little bit of my work. And if I'm not sitting behind a sewing machine, then I probably have someone's lovely kids with me. I absolutely love children. Well, that's all I have for today. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to call me or email me. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.